Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is GM certified 2017 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive. Stock number Z7059XA. Only 7,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Equinox brand new, nightfall gray metallic in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper, and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Equinox seats 5, cloth interior, and with only 7,000 miles, very clean inside and out. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional storage cubbies on both sides, as well as power outlet. And of course, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start. Power windows, locks, mirrors, Pioneer sound system, power seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Gauges with driver information system. Again, only 7,000 miles. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning, along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead. Moonroof control. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4 liter direct injection 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and almost new tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7059XA to 6624.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.